different I'm working on. Not in the garage, obviously. But this washing machine was shaking all over the place, going crazy. And I think these springs are the culprit. They're no good anymore, I'm guessing. So it's easy to take the top off of one of these. There's a bunch of bolts, little machine screws or whatever you want to call them in the back. Take them off. Then you can take the top, slide it forward, and then you could flip it backwards. And that's it, really. Pretty simple. And that gives you access to these springs. I put the towels in there, kind of hold the drum up as I replace these springs. But yeah, so should be fairly simple repair. So we'll get that fixed and we'll see if it works and go from there. Then I can put some more stuff about trucks up. And for the front, I just took this off. It's just a few bolts or screws. And then you go in here, you remove that. And then the way you get these out, it's pretty self-explanatory. But you just get it lined up. Get this lined up here, and you can pop it right out. So I'll put them back in there, and then we'll pull these other springs out. I probably won't be able to get you in there to see. So this clip, you just push these clips in, and then it'll release. Then the whole spring will drop out, and you just slide it right out. And then you just repeat the same process for all four. And to put the new ones in, do the same thing. Just go down there. You can see where it goes. Should be it. Yep, clicked in. Okay, then I'm gonna pull this up, pull it through there, and then turn it so that it locks in there. That's it. Simple. All right, got them all in there. You could see how it was beating around on the sides, wearing them out. So hopefully this will prevent that. I'm not sure, honestly, though. Still seems about the same. And then this, see, it locks in here. You could put something through it, but I didn't bother. I just leaned it back. You just slide it forward. The latch is in. Just push it back, and that's it. And then all you got to do is just put your plate back on, the rear plate. And then put your screws in. Guess we'll see if this actually works or not. So I'll give it a test run, and if it's fixed, I'll video it in a spin cycle, and it won't be beating and banging, hopefully. But for some reason, it almost didn't seem like it did much, but we'll see.